Hello student, good morning. Are you ready? I am going to explain the numerical related to refraction of light at spherical surface and lenses. First, come on the question 13 here. What given in question 13? Calculate the focal length of a convex lens whose radii of curvature of two surfaces R1 given here, R1 plus 10 centimeter and R2 that is minus 15 centimeter for convex lens, and refractive index n equal to 1.5. Now focal 1 by f lens maker formula n minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Put the value of given n 1.5 minus 1 by R1 10 minus 15. This 1 by f equal to 0.5 into 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. LCM of 0.5, LCM of 30, that 2, 3 plus 2. Now here 1 by f equal to 0.5 into 5 upon 30, or f equal to that 30 upon 0.5 into 5, 6 here, and f equal to 60 by 5, that f equal to 12 centimeter. This is the answer of the question 13. Now come on the question 16. Come on question 16 here. 16 given here. Radii of curvature of two surfaces of convexo-concave lens. Convexo-concave lens. This and this centimeter convexo-concave means here. What do you mean by convexo-concave? Convexo here given R1 equal to 15 plus 15 centimeter, R2 equal to also 15, and this given here 30 centimeter. Now n given here material 1.5, so that 1 by f equal to n minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This 1.5 minus 1 by R1 15 minus 1 by plus 30. That you may be write here 1 by f equal to 0.5 into taking common 30, 15 to the and minus 1. This 1 by f equal to 0.5 into 1 by 30. 1 by f equal to 0.5 by 30 or 1 by 60. F equal to 60 centimeter. Now come on the question 20. A converging lens of focal length 20 centimeter in air FA equal to 20 centimeter in air, the refractive index of material means ANG equal to 1.6 and refractive index of liquid ANL equal to that is 1.3. LNG equal to ANG by ANL. LNG equal to ANG upon ANL means 1.6 upon 1.3, 16 by 13. Now FL equal to FA ANG minus 1 upon LNG minus 1. Now here 20 into 1.6 minus 1 upon 16 by 13 minus 1. Now calculate this here. FL equal to 20 into 0.6 upon 16 minus 13 upon 13. F equal to 0.12.0 into upon 3 by 13. FL equal to 12 into 13 upon 3. FL equal to 52 centimeter. Now come on question 21. Write down first. The refractive index of glass with respect to air 21 ANG equal to 3 by 2 and WNG 4 by 3. Given here the radii of curvature of convex lens R1 equal to 20 centimeter and R2 equal to minus 30 centimeter. What is the focal length of the lens in air? First FA, second FW, and in water. First 1 by FA equal to ANG minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This 1 by FA equal to ANG 3 by 2 minus 1 by 20 minus plus 1 by 30. That 3 by 2, 3 minus 2 by 2 into 6 upon LCM 60. This 3, this 2. 1 by FA equal to 1 by 2 into 5 by 60. 1 by FA equal to 1 by 24. FA equal to 24 centimeter. Please. Now here second part. FW equal to FA ANG minus 1 upon LNG minus 1. LNG equal to this here, this 24, 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 3 by 2 by 4 by 3 minus 1. This become here FW equal to FA means 24, 3 by 3 minus 2 by 2 upon 9 by 8 minus 1. FW equal to 24 into 1 by 2 upon 9 minus 8 by 8. FW equal to 24 into 8 by 2. Now FW equal to 96 centimeter. Please do all the question of this chapter. If you have problem, you discuss in live class or in the classroom. That's okay.